Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. How is everybody doing? Hope all is well. Fuck, I'm having some issues with my computers today, man. Really? I think I need to reformat my computer, man. Honestly. Things are getting a little like slow and sluggish, you know. I don't know what the fuck happened. Like my mouse is like not working well, you know. I don't know why. Stupid, man. Come on here and do this shit, you know what I mean? How are you guys? Everybody good? Ethereum day. Let's fucking go. Gonna bring up the Discord here for a minute. You know, I don't know, man. Like I was yelling about this for a long time, man. We were buying Ethereum all the way down. I was buying it at 15. I bought it at, you know, 16. You know, we even bought some at like 14.50, man. We bought it all the way down, dude. All the way down. This should not have been a surprise, but it is nice to see. It is a little late. I was a little early to the party on some of the trades for the altcoins, but what are you gonna do? Everything's in the profit now. Everything. And our latest Ethereum buys are fucking banging. Yeah. I hope this mouse keeps up, or you know, whatever's going on here with this system is just, things are not working well. in my computer life right now. The mouse just keeps freezing, man. Like, what is going on, dude? Maybe that'll help keep it going good. I don't know, man. Really. Seems to be working okay now. Oh yeah. All right. Anybody here? No one's even here, man. Apologies for the stream schedule. It's been kind of fucked up lately. Bali had like some wicked blackouts. They severed some kind of fucking some kind of sea cable or something coming from the main power hub, or I don't know, but the whole island was blacked out for like, you know, and then we had like spotty power for like 4 days or 5 days. The price you pay for living in paradise, I guess. But yeah, what's up, Craftsman? I hope you're safe, brother. I hope you're safe. Fucking crazy shit that's going on over there. I honestly hope you're safe. Just stay safe, man. Don't go outside, I guess. Or get the fuck out of India. Safe and good. Okay, that's good. I'm glad to hear it. Glad to hear it, man. Glad to hear it. Dodged 8. Jesus Christ. I can't even fucking imagine, man. Like, if that was happening where I was living, I would just leave the fucking country, man. I would move immediately. I'd pack up all my shit and leave. Really? So it doesn't look like any news today. Again, apologies for the shitty stream. The shitty stream schedule. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I don't follow like I don't really follow the whole politics behind any of it, but like war is shit. Whatever's going on is like should stop immediately. You know what I mean? And missiles aren't gonna solve any fucking problems. That's for sure. Whoever the fuck is in the right or the wrong, you know what I mean? Doesn't really matter. You definitely shouldn't solve the issues with fucking missiles. You know. So, we'll do this way so you can get a good view on it. So this is the Discord, you know. We were talking about this, you know. If they dump it to 76k, we'll be a good long from there. You know, this is back on, what was the date here? Yeah, I'll check Nifty in a minute. I will. I literally was talking about Ethereum in here. ETH BTC gain the daily. You know what I mean? Like I was putting this shit in the Discord for you guys, you know? I hope you guys took longs, man. Like I hope everybody's on the same page here and we all took longs, right? This is this was, you know, pretty fucking dead simple, you know. They front run the area, but anyway, they front run the area, but they you know, I was buying ETH all the way fucking down. All the way down. I bought it at fucking 17. I bought it at 16, and I put a huge buy in at 15. So like we, you know, Ethereum's up over in the past month. It's up like 70%. So I hope everybody fucking took, you know, got some longs, right? Like like when you're in a fucking bull market, dips are for buying. I just hope that you guys take longs and don't take profits too soon, because like I think that was it. I don't believe that we're going lower than that. Until I think we will go lower than that, but I think we'll go to like 150k first, and then we'll go back down to like 60. That would be ideal for me, because that's the plan I'm gonna play. So if we go up to 150k or 180k or something like that Bitcoin, then I'll only hold about 15% of my portfolio left in crypto. Everything else will be in DeFi, USDC or USDT, collecting interest until we have a fucking crash again. And the crash will be at 100k. I'll start buying again. Look at ETH, man. Look at this shit. Look at this pump, man. This is crazy, dude. To have this much action in a matter of a fucking week. This is nuts, dude. This is a fucking 80% gain in a week. Let's fucking go. Over half of my goddamn liquidity net worth is in Ethereum. Let's fucking go, man. This will probably be a little bit of a rejection, but I honestly think, really, man, I think that Ethereum is gonna blast now. Like I hope we get some kind of a pullback into this area where I can load up more, but like I really think that we're gonna blast now. I think that was it, dude. Like I'm pretty sure that was it. Look at the circle I have on this fucking chart, man. Look at this goddamn circle. It did wipe out the area, but like this is the level, man. This was the, I had this fucking thing circled on the goddamn chart, man. You know, I hope we get a pullback, man. I hope we get a pullback and I can put in more. You know, I really do. I really hope we get a pullback to like 1900 would be good. What a fucking move, man. What a move. People were saying Ethereum is dead. What a fucking move, man. You know, I didn't just like mark up this chart just now. This was here like this. You know what I mean? This is the level, dude. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Really? TP4K? I honestly think that this is going to like, I think this is gonna rip, dude. Like I'm pretty sure we're gonna see new highs. I'm pretty sure we're going to like 6K. Maybe 8, you know what I mean? Like this is the target area now. Because that's a big pullback, you know what I mean? And you know, I'll take profits at 4K, but I'm pretty sure we're going here, dude. And like really looking at this, like looking at the daily here, man, 4K is not really the target. There's this here. This is kind of already tagged too. We'll probably see a little bit of a resistance here, but like this is an area, and then this right here is an area, and then besides that, it's like there's not much, man. Really, I think this would be a no-go. And then there's this. So yeah, here is like would be a big target. It's been touched. Oh yeah, and honestly, this has been touched already. Yeah, I still would take a PT here. I will take a PT here, right here. Let's get a box on there. But honestly, main target is going to be like high, dude, at this point. Yeah. Main target is like high new highs. Yeah. They were already pushing this. Man. This has been touched 1, 2, 3 times. Like there's nothing over here to hold this anymore. You know what I mean? We're in the last gap. We're in the last gap over here, right? So like let's look at this. This is what they've been rejecting, right? They've been rejecting this right here. So besides that, everything else is tested, dude. You know, everything is tested, dude. Everything is tested here. So, you know, higher than this. And if you take a fib extension on it, that's like, you know, we're talking about 6K. We're talking around 6K or like 8K, really, if you want, or 7K. So I don't know. That's kind of my outlook in the bigger picture kind of, you know, scheme of things. It's you know, it is what it is. I'm still on the belief here that we're gonna have a fucking just a crazy run. It's gonna be fucking massive, and then it's gonna follow up with a massive crash, probably related to World War III, with the way that the fucking world is working. And then maybe, if we're lucky, we'll come out of the ashes of World War III, and I hope that you know, crypto really blasts out of that to like the new place to put money. You know what I mean? I would hope. But regardless, we'll trade everything. And again, this ETH analysis is going to very much depend on what Bitcoin's doing too, right? Bitcoin pushing into tested levels already, right? This is already tested. All this is tested, so you know, where are we going in Bitcoin? Just take a fib pull on that. You know, we'll take it from this one. You know, 130 really. It's the next kind of spot. We'll see if we do get it. If we get some kind of a pullback into the 90s, or like just even sweeping this. Let's clean up this chart a bit, man. You like that box? You know, I put this shit on the charts, dude. You know, I put this on the chart. When we were here, I put this on the chart. Yeah, dude, we're just pushing tested areas at this point. So like, you know, even if we do even if we do reject here and we start sweeping this, that's a buy. Anything down here is a buying opportunity in my mind. So, you know, we'll see if they give it. But anything below 90 is a buying opportunity in my mind. A lot of stuff here, right? This is gonna kind of be the level to hold. I don't want to see them hold above that. I could see them taking the liquidity though underneath this. You know, underneath this, there's a lot of liquidity there now from the late people who got in late. So I could see them taking the liquidity and then blasting it off from there. So we will see. We will see. We will see. This run's not over yet, man. The bull run is not dead. The bull run is definitely not dead. I think we're gonna see bull until late 2025 at this point, because we're having a delayed bull. So I think we're gonna see bull run until late 2025, and then there we will, you know, start taking profits, because that's gonna be the time. I think. I mean, I'm gonna take profits just regardless. I'm gonna take 5% on the sweep of the highs. I'll take another 5% at 120, and I'll take another 5% at 130. Those will be that'll be my 15% in this range. All right. Nifty. You want to see the Nifty? Let's have a look at it. Pretty good. Came down, gained here, the daily, wiped it out. That's a dirty move, you know what I mean? Wiped it out to test a main level. Re-achieved. So, you know, dips are for buying at this point. Same kind of thing, dips are for buying. So, you know, if they pull back to here, it's for buying. Next stop is this. Even though that's tested on the way down, it's going to be a second test on that. How are your other stocks doing, Craftsman? What else are you in? What's the one that you're always telling me to look up? Yeah, Ananjara. That's right. Is it ANANTRAJ? Still looks decent. You know, so remember what I said here, right? I said if they don't hold, I would put buys here at this circle. So at first I would have entered here, and then I would have entered more here if this is a longer term play for you. Let's have a look at the weekly. Yeah, weekly does look a little rough, but regardless if it looks rough, they're still holding where they need to, right? You know, they took this right down to this, man. So like, you know, this is kind of where you'd want to see them hold it. And like, you know, that's been tested. So like, really, I still think that this is the area, right? This is the area for them to hold. So we'll see. We'll see if they keep holding. Still looks okay to me. Okay to 600 to 800. I would be accumulating down here. This is probably going to be a big accumulation play down here, man. You should really be taking a PT here too. Right here. You're scared of war? I mean, it's coming, dude. It's coming, but I don't think it's coming yet. I think they're gonna pump the shit out of the markets first, and then it's gonna come. I think so. Maybe like, I think big war is coming at like in the next bear market. So the next bear market is gonna be in 2026, right? So 2026, maybe near the middle or the end of 2026, probably gonna see some crazy shit happen. And I think that bear market is going to be fucking nuts. Way worse than what we've seen. I think it's going to be way worse than the COVID one. Way worse than anything that we've seen. We can look at, do a little speculation on the ES. A longer term picture here. The 3-month candles here. So I think we take out this low. Yeah, I think we take out this low. So the next bear market, we take out this low. That would be my guess. So I think they pump this first, and then we take out this low. And it might be a longer bear market, like a year-long bear market. But I honestly think that we're going up first. We're going to here at least first. 7K ES. But I really think that we're going to take out this low eventually. Yeah, it's going to be like, it'll be similar to 2008. But really, I really think that we're taking it that low. Challenge we may even challenge this stuff. Challenge this down here. Something like that. But in the meantime, you need to play this like it's being, like it's showing you, right? Like right now we're just, you know, we've touched the 3-month. We're just touching the 3-month tops of the 3 months, right? 3-month candle. It's just testing the top of the 3-month swing, just like we did back here. This one's not tested. That's why it's kind of interesting. This is not tested, so I think we take that low out. But because they're holding this so well, like I don't see them not making a new high. INFY doing good. INFY, you're in this one too, yeah? Again with the wipeout. Hate when they do that, man. You go to the level and they wipe it like that. Be low, but again, like there's a lot of stuff here for them to bounce it. So we'll see. Challenge is going to be up here at when they see if they gain this. See if they gain that, brother. Oh man, I'm just so happy, man. I literally have half my money that I own in Ethereum, and Ethereum pumps so much, man. It's fucking great, man. I might not even trade today, just not to, you know, just because my fucking side bags are going so well. Everything's going so well. Really, GG's for sure, man. God damn it. You know, I did say it in the Discord, man. I was putting it in there. I'm buying Ethereum. I'm buying Ethereum. I really don't even think the run is even close to over yet either, man. I honestly think that we're gonna see like fucking 8 grand Ethereum or something crazy like that. Really clean up all these charts. Everything's a fucking mess from before. Clean this all shit up, man. Just clean it up. Clean it all up. Get it all taken off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off, man. Take it off. Take it all off. Hey, we're back trading the micros again. It's a little bit proper. Not too shabby. I don't like this giant fucking wick. What happened here like half an hour ago? Oh shit. Really good trading, man. I guess BDP is out surfing, man. Oh, you gotta go? All right, see you later, Crossman. Take it easy, brother. Thanks for stopping in. Stay safe, yeah? Stay safe. Try to get the fuck out of the country, really. Well, I guess we should change our name here, man, because we're not. I'm just gonna put crypto. Let's go. Passing any more evals for a while. All right, boys. All right. So yeah, I don't know, man. I really I just don't even know. Like the market doesn't. It's not. This isn't a really great position for me to take a trade, right? So I don't know if we're gonna. I don't really like this candle that they put here on the 15-minute. Yes, this giant wicker. Don't really like that. I think we're headed higher, so. Fucking dirty wick, man. It's just like the liquidity here, man. So dirty. So dirty, man. So dirty. So dirty. Maybe we can look at shorting it if we do get a pump. We're just really at a position here for taking longs. It's probably gonna be a pump at Friday. Might just hang out, just chill out with you guys, man. You know, for any of the people watching this after the fact, after the stream, there's a couple people that, you know, they say they want to learn how to trade, and then, you know, I just never hear from them again. Or they, you know, trading is, you need to keep showing up for it to work. That's why so many people don't succeed in this, is because it takes a while to get good at it. And then, you know, not many people are willing to just go through the trenches and lose a bunch of money doing it before you're good at it, or at least not even good, like just even half decent where you're making money. Most people won't make it. they won't you know, they won't be able to suffer that much, you know what I mean, and to do that. You know, when I started trading, like, took me, like, I would say like a good 5 years, man, of losing. I lost like 30 grand. It was a lot. That was a lot of money for me back then. I mean, it's a lot of money for anyone, right? But back then it was like a lot, man. I didn't have 30 grand to just throw around, but I did anyway. But yeah, you know, it's just, if you want to learn how to trade, you just need to, the main thing is just showing up, man. Learn price action and then show up and practice every day. You know, you need to practice when the markets are running. Really don't like how this 4 hour closed, actually. For kind of a long trade though. Probably take a short. 3 contracts maybe. $200. Sure. Why not, right? We really need it up here. It's too much. Kind of missed the short opportunity is the problem. Like the short was here, so we missed it. You know, they could still come up here and test this. So we'll take a short there. I could put a resting order here for a short. Yeah, could put a resting order here for a short. Did they touch this? Almost did. So you can put one like, you know, here, 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 and here, or something like that. They're trying to. Oh, it's a little bit of a tough place to be taking a trade. Really, would like to long it down here. Longing it here would have been a lot easier. Taking a short here now, it's not the best trade, really. Probably not the best trade. Just a little ugly is all. Just a little bit ugly. This isn't very convincing in the tick chart, and they've already done it. So I don't know, man. It isn't the best place for trading for me anyway. I like my trades nice and easy, you know. Love it. NQ any better? NQ just looks like higher, man. Yeah, it's all right. Friday, you know, just won't trade. It's okay. It's all right, man. Bitcoin short looks okay too. I would think it would come back down to here, but I don't know if they'll do it in one day. Look at the Russell. So it lost to 15, but came down and is just holding this. And they did have a 4-hour close above too, so I mean, it's not really the best, man. Not really the best. They did have a 4-hour close above, so not something that I would take for a short. The YM and then gold also. Maybe there's something there that we can trade. Gaining where they need to see the gain in the 4-hour. Pretty good. Fucking higher, dude. This looks good up until here. Just like we're out of position, you know, on this shit now. So, what can you do? Gold. Check out gold. Anything fun going on in gold? And a nice little 5-minute gainer. This one had a nice gainer too, man. Holding a good 4-hour level here. Pushing into the 4-hour. That's kind of shitty. But again, a little late to the party here. A little bit late. You know, as in like a day. Would have been good back here. Can't do this. No, way too much. We'd have to stop it here. Even that's a lot. But gold kind of looks good for new highs. Gold kind of looks good for new highs, folks. This is what happens when you don't keep a good stream schedule. No one fucking comes around it anymore. You know, they're all like, fuck you, Jay, you're never here. Well, sorry folks, what can you do? You know, I live in paradise. I go on vacations a lot. We did start a construction site job. I mean, I don't personally do too much on the job. I just kind of put the team together. But it's started now anyway. But 6E. Check out these guys. 6E. I mean, like, you know, down here was the time. You know, not here. Let's just look at some of this other shit here. 6B. I think this is the pound. Very, very similar. Very similar action here. He's fucking holding on by a thread there, yeah. This looks like it's going down, and the dollar's gonna pop off. Just look at the Dixie here real quick. They are holding this. Kind of the area for them to hold. Kind of be watching this, man. If this starts popping off and they start re-achieving, this could go for a little bit of a run, I think. But again, like, we missed this, you know, like this shit should have happened here, man. There's plenty of opportunity to get long. This is, look at this gain. Look at this gain here, man. This is exactly what you're looking for, you know? Like, this is what you're looking for. Exactly. You know? Gaining. Retest. It's perfect. Lots of opportunity to get long again. Every dip. JPY kind of looks a bit interesting, but still not the greatest. This is the trade that I would have taken on, not this one. Yeah, man, just like stretched here, trying to find anything to trade, you know, but I don't really like the where the position the market's in. Dirty candle made it real difficult. What's that anyway? What kind of news was that? I'm not seeing anything on my economic release. There's obviously something. Anyway, I'm gonna go for a quick cigarette. I'll be right back. I'll leave you guys with the tunes and the charts. All right. All right. Really rough stream, man. Not one person showed up. Kind of funny, and you know, crypto's just blasting. No one comes out. Oh well, what are you gonna do? You know, too much. You know what I was gonna do is message my buddy Mike and see if he's gonna play this game. Yeah, boys. What are we gonna do with ourselves here? We got market open in 15 minutes. I think we're just gonna watch the open and then, you know, just want to see how this reacts here, you know, on kind of did it already, so and coming back up here again, it just looks like they're gonna gain it to me. So honestly, it's better I just stay the fuck out of this plan, you know, for now. Probably just gonna watch the open and then that's it. Then hit the bricks because I don't think I'm trading today. Got you, bitch. I really don't like that trade, man. Really, I'm just gonna leave it. It's better to leave it, I think. Better to just leave it. Market open in 10 minutes. Nine minutes to go. Be right back. It's starting to look a little interesting for a short. Market open at 5. Not even 2. Failing this 5 over here. Kind of looks good here for a long. Let's try 2. Try to market smash 2 here. Just put a super tight stop on it, $60. Try, you know, nothing crazy. All right, here's the open. Want to run this actually for a little bit higher. Oh, let's just close that. Move. We're gonna take one off. Maybe not. Really should just try to get it in higher than that at least, right? That one here. Yeah. Push it. Push it. I'm gonna take one off here. Yeah, I took one off. And we're just moving to stop the profit. We'll try to get a runner. Let's do it. Profitable trade. So the problem with these prop accounts is like you kind of have to trail it, or you start running the risk of like not, you're blowing up. You can't give back too much, That was a pretty small trade too, just because it is what it is. What I didn't really like the whole situation of the market where it was, so whatever. Got kind of closed there. They'll give it to this. I like this range here to blast a little bit higher, so I can move my stop up to here. I'd like to take this out. I know trailing on the 15-second chart isn't the best, but when you're just starting these prop accounts, you need to trail your stop. You have to. Be good for higher. Five-minute candle closes soon. 1 minute. Trying to break out here. 15 seconds starting to fail on the 15-second chart. Okay, taking the liquidity. See if we can do anything with it. Will be the new stop. Shit close. Have to wait for this whole candle to finish or get stopped out. Oh well, I got one right. Guess I put my stop in a good spot. Probably getting stopped out here. Like to see them re-achieve this. See them back above 05, 06. Last try. Last try. Doesn't look good. Pull this down just a bit. Lower than that. Not looking too good. Looking like gonna dump. So it's all right. 1 PT. Stopped in profit, so not bad. $35. It's a little trade, you know what I mean? Just because it was here and this was an untested 5, so that's why. In case any of you were wondering why, that's why. But at this point, there's nothing left here for me, you know? They re-achieve, I might take another stab at it. Same trade as before. In again for 2. Stop below the 5. Super tight. $35 stop. Just be break even on the day if it fails. Ooh, this isn't looking good. Did re-achieve. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna just take one off on this pump here. Jumped it before I could. So again, take one off here. Stop is being moved into profit. This is a super tight stop. Bit. Yeah. See if this one works out. So again, we'll try to get new highs out of this. See if it works. Just stopped out on the rest of it. I really think that we're going up here, man. Come on, let's just rip it, you know? Probably just gonna get stopped out on this again. Trade. It's super tight stop. The entry wasn't the best. It's looking pretty weak on the tick chart. And if we get stopped out, this will be the last trade for today. It's like Bitcoin making a move. It's Ethereum. Let's go. He's making a move too. Let's go. BTC making a move too. Let's go. Like stop out coming here. It's trailing this a little too close, but what I can't. Hey, this is all I can do, you know. They have with these prop firms, you get like a trailing drawdown, right? So until you get a buffer, this is the only way to do it. Get stopped out a whole bunch of times for not much, and then every once in a while you'll hit one. Want to see it blast here a little bit. Nope, it's not what we wanted to see. Stopped in profit again. We had here $45 on the day. I think that's it for today, man. This is kind of the only thing that I see, so you know I don't really want to be around here all fucking day. But at least it's a profitable day. Looks like they're gonna re-achieve here after just stopping me out, cocksuckers. This could be another re-add. Damn it, I missed it. We're gonna take the liquidity here. I think I didn't take the trade. All right, so we're into, you know, this is potentially going lower than this, all the way down here, so a bit rough. Funny that the crypto market's holding up while this is happening. See if they re-achieve here. Really, like, I hate when they do big candles like that, and it just fucks up my whole game. Fucks up my whole game, man. Went blasting, man. The re-achieving. Try another small one here. If they give us an entry. $50 stop. See if we get an entry. Come on. Wow. Just missed, yeah? Could have front runned it. Missed it. It's too bad. He still might get it. Ah, you fuckers, man. Really? That's annoying, man, you know? Like, what did I miss that by? Like $1? $7. $7 worth of stop. At this point, I'll be flattening this. That's probably it for today, boys. You know, Had a couple of trades in there anyway. So that's probably it for today. You know, not too many people out here. It's all good. We'll catch you guys Monday, man. Crypto looks like it's gonna rip, so hold on to your reins or whatever. All right, guys. See you later.